The purpose of this video is to hopefully make your life a little bit easier. So, you're having difficulties getting your fan to stop running on loud after having an SSD installed. I have the same type of computer right here that does not have the fan control software installed or configured. So I'm going to start off exactly where you are. So, all we essentially have to do is we have to download this app, this Mac fan control app, and then we have to drag that app to our applications folder. It's going to ask for your password, and you'll put that in, and then it will copy that app that we've just downloaded to your applications folder. From there, you'll run the app. So you'll double click on the app to run it. Once the app is up and running, you're going to be presented with a prompt. It's going to show you three choices, and it's going to show you three control settings that you can set. You're only going to be interested in the control setting for the drive, which will be the middle setting. You're going to change this, and you will adjust this setting only. When you use this fan control software properly, your fan will run at a fine temperature and you won't have to worry about updates. You can merely ignore them, or as the updates come in, you can press continue. So, the reason why an issue like this exists in the first place is because Apple wants to control where and how you replace your hard drive. They have a special controller that goes from the hard drive to the fan and tells the fan what temperature to be at based on the hard drive temperature. Apple does not make a third-party option so that you can get a faster drive at a lower cost from somebody else and save yourself money while you upgrade your computer. So, on this particular model, we have to rely on fan control software, Mac's Fan Control, made by Crystal Idea. I make no money from Crystal Idea, but I have to say, it's a damn good product.